Hi, I am Vivia, or you may also know me as Viv from @bujo with me on Instagram. Today, I'll be making a spread on my new bullet journal, and I'll include the 2023 cover page with little elements of anime. As for the supplies for this spread, I'll be using everything that's on the screen right now, along with those two acrylograph pens, and also the metallic acrylograph pen for a little accents or just to add a pop of color. I will also be using the Artisan Olive notepad, which has the black, white, and craft dot grid papers, and you can also tear the pages from it. As for the journal, and for my journal for 2023, I will be using this A5 Moonflowers journal from Artisan Olive. It has 160 pages and is also Neapolitan. The speed of the rest of the video is really quick, so feel free to just go through it once and then make your own version of it. For this spread, I already have a layout on my paper, but I do have a prototype on my iPad to let me know what it looks like. I already got the paper cut beforehand, but the measurements will be on the screen. I also decided to cut this piece in half, or where the crease goes, because I didn't want it to bulk up as it does in all my other journals when I do it over a crease. I just spread them out like that to know what it looks like, and then I'll be using a Scotch tape glue roller to tape all of them to the paper, and that's what it looks like so far. I will also be using doilies in the spread to layer it up a little bit more, and I cut them in 4 pieces. As for the characters, I'll be using these two from Haikyuu. They're the Mia twins, and along with 2 symbols that I think symbolizes them. Right now, I'm just trying to put all the prints in a proper layout that I would like, and using a glue tape helps a lot because it helps you remove them and does not leave any residue behind. I also will be using this washi tape along with these stickers. I'm going more for a white tone this time compared to last year because I just feel it looks better with the craft and the black and also the white. I did decide to remove the washi tape from there and put it somewhere down below just because I didn't think it fit the vibe or it didn't go well with what I had in mind. I also decided to add some little pieces of doilies near the elements to make it pop up a little. Here I'm just trying to retrace the lettering onto the paper since it was covered completely with the paper. Also, this hand lettering that I'm doing right now, it is not very traditional, but I like it. I did go back and change the first 20 because it was a comparatively smaller size than the other ones. For the pens, I'll be using these 2 acrylographs. They're the white and they're very dark green. The dark green gives you an illusion of being black, which is why I used it. I decided to go with white on the black paper and the craft paper, and the really dark green on the white paper. I did end up going once again over everything that I did on craft and black so far, just because the color wasn't depositing really well. So I really shaked it a lot and gave it a good shake I should have before starting it, but I just forgot about doing that. I decided to add a smiley face to make the entire spread look just a little more cuter. Like the last time, I went over this part as well to make it look a little vibrant. And then now I'm just going over every single part that is left with the really dark green pen. It looks really unique and I really like the contrast between the dark and the light on the paper itself. I then decided to use a metallic acrylographs to create the border around the spread and also to fill out the little blank area on top and the bottom. Here I'm just making the border a little thicker so that it pops out against the paper and the colors in there. I then went ahead with the acrylic I used for lettering to add little accents all around the spread. I drew little hearts along with some exclamation marks and question marks because that is honestly my mood all around the year. And there you have it, a really simple, unique, and easy to do, quick cover that you guys can try as well. One of the biggest things I like about this is that you can change the characters to something you like and not just go with the same layout. You can play out with the layout too. I really hope you enjoyed this video and feel free to tag me if you ever recreate or do a similar cover to this one. Hope you have a wonderful day ahead.